Delhi continues to breathe poisonous air. The air quality index touched 441 on Sunday night. It continued to surge to around 458 and 480 by Monday morning. Now, GRAP 4, which is the stage 4 of Graded Response Action Plan, has already been implemented across the National Capital Region, which places restrictions on the vehicular traffic as well as construction activities and other industrial activities in this entire region. As you can see behind me, a toxic smog has already covered this entire city, making it difficult for people in the city to breathe. Both the concentrations of PM10 and PM2.5 have already breached the safe limit set by the World Health Organization. Now, the bad news here is that according to the latest forecast of the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, the severe air quality is likely to remain at least till the 21st of November. That means the air quality index is likely to remain above 400. Now, so far during the October and the first half of November, we saw that the air quality remained in the poor to very poor category. So we did not really see the AQI peaking, but now this is the worst that Delhi can get as of now. This toxic smog is likely to remain for most part of the winter season. Pollution remains high throughout the year in Delhi, but now it just gets very, very, very difficult. Moreover, restrictions have already placed on various other activities as well. Schools have been urged to shift to online classes, not just for the primary kids, but for other students as well, except for class 10th and 12th students. Now, the Commission for Air Quality Management in Delhi NCR has been reviewing the situation on a very daily basis. And we'll see till what time the GRAP 4 measures need to remain into place. As of now, all the activities that have been suggested under GRAP 2, GRAP 3 are also in action across the city. Now, this toxic haze is going to make it very difficult for people to step out, and that is why they are urged to reduce their exposure, and but especially children and the elderly people who are most vulnerable to the deteriorating air quality in this region. So yes, mask up Delhi.